Ever wondered who's the digital maestro orchestrating your car's performance? Curious about the hidden genius behind those smooth rides and powerful purrs? Well, get ready to dive into the engine's brain. Because today, we're unraveling the mystery of engine control modules, or ECUs, in a language even your grandma's vintage car can understand. Ready to unlock the secrets of automotive wizardry? Let's hit the gas and explore the captivating world of ECUs. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and tech geeks, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're revving up our engines and embarking on a journey into the beating digital heart of your beloved ride. You see, we all know cars are more than just metal and rubber. They're our trusty companions on life's highway. But have you ever wondered what makes them tick, roar, and purr with power? Well, grab your favorite driving shades and let's explore the untold tale of the unsung hero, the Engine Control Module, or ECU. Picture this. Your car is a master chef, whipping up a symphony of speed and smoothness on four wheels. But behind every culinary masterpiece is an ECU, the Gordon Ramsay of your car's kitchen. It's the brain, the maestro, and the digital puppeteer pulling the strings behind the scenes. And today, dear viewers, we're pulling back the curtain on this magical marvel. When you think of your car, you probably imagine the sleek exterior, the smooth leather seats, or the satisfying hum of the engine. But what if I told you that beneath that glossy surface lies a digital symphony, an intricate network of electronics that orchestrates every rev of the engine and every swerve of the wheel? Welcome to the world of the Engine Control Unit, or ECU, the technological maestro that turns your vehicle into a finely tuned performance masterpiece. Components inside the ECU, the tech wonderland beneath the hood. Ever wondered what's actually inside the enigmatic ECU? Let's crack open the digital vault of knowledge. Imagine we're peering into a Bosch ECU nestled comfortably within an Audi car. It's like a high-tech heart, composed of various components working in harmony to ensure your engine purrs like a contented kitten. You've got sensors, processors, and memory chips. It's like a bustling metropolis of microelectronics. These unsung heroes communicate silently, but efficiently to ensure your car's engine functions at its peak. But why does this electronic ecosystem matter? Well, imagine you're at a gourmet restaurant. The chef, that's the ECU, needs top-notch ingredients, the components, to whip up a Michelin-worthy dish, your engine's performance. It's this combination that makes your car not just a mode of transportation, but a marvel of engineering. ECU's input and output functions, the data juggler of your engine. Now, let's talk about the ECU's role on the virtual dance floor of your vehicle's engine. Imagine your car as a theater with various performers, air pressure, pedal position, crankshaft movement, and a multitude of sensors, all playing their part. But wait, who's the director calling the shots? You guessed it, the ECU. It's like a digital Shakespeare, processing all the inputs and churning out a symphony of calculations. When you hit the gas, the ECU interprets the pedal position, mulls over the air pressure, and even keeps tab on the crankshaft's position. It then does some number crunching, applying algorithms that Leonardo da Vinci would be proud of. And voila! It commands the fuel pump to sprinkle just the right amount of fuel, instructs the injectors to deliver the perfect mist, and orchestrates a precisely timed ignition to light up your engine. It's like having a genius mathematician drive your car's performance. That's the ECU's magic at work. The importance of construction methods. The tough love behind the scene. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of ECU construction. Imagine your car as a warrior, braving harsh weather conditions, unexpected potholes, and sudden stops. But who's the unsung guardian on this automotive battlefield? That's right, the ECU. It's like a digital Spartan, standing guard against the elements and mechanical shock. Why is construction quality crucial? Imagine building a sandcastle during a wild storm. Not a great idea, right? Similarly, the ECU must weather all sorts of conditions, from scorching heat to bone-chilling cold, while maintaining its operational finesse. This demands top-tier construction with materials and techniques that can withstand whatever nature or your driving habits throws their way. Notable features in the ECU, the tech oasis within. Now, let's zoom in on some intriguing features within an ECU, like discovering hidden treasures in a digital desert. Picture this, a humidity vent. It's like a breath of fresh air for your ECU, ensuring that any internal moisture doesn't dampen its performance. It's a bit like an ECU's very own yoga class, breathing in, breathing out, and staying zen amidst the hustle and bustle. And then, there are the chips, the ECU's rock stars. You've got custom chips, flash memory, and processors. It's like assembling an elite squad of electronic warriors. Each chip has a specific role, like characters in a play. From data storage to executing calculations at lightning speed, these chips are the backbone of your car's brainpower. Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! Are you starting to see how an ECU can turn your car into a digital superstar? Ready to discover more of the behind-the-scenes magic that makes your ride roar? Well, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to shift gears and dive even deeper into the heart of the ECU's realm. Ready for the ride? Let's roll! Integration and advancements, the ECU's evolutionary leap. Ever heard of ECU parties? No, not the kind with balloons and cake. It's about integrating components to create an electronic masterpiece. Imagine your car as a tech-savvy fashionista, sporting the latest trends and integration. It's like fitting a puzzle together, ensuring each piece collaborates seamlessly. Now, picture this. Porsche and ECU collaborate like artistic geniuses. Why? Integration is the name of the game. By merging functions into a single chip, they're making your car's brain more efficient and cost-effective. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your vehicle, only much smarter. Let's hop in our time machine and travel back to the late 1990s and early 2000s. Picture the Audi A6 E5. A slice of automotive history with a 2.5-liter TDI engine. This ECU is like a digital time capsule, revealing the tech landscape of its era. It's fascinating how these electronic wizards paved the way for the futuristic engines we see today. Opening the ECU, a glimpse inside the digital fortress. Imagine your ECU as a treasure chest, sealed tight with torque screws. Opening it up is like unraveling a secret code, revealing the wonders within. And then, there's the silicone seal, like a guardian angel against the elements. It's there to ensure that moisture and other external intruders stay firmly outside, allowing your ECU to work its magic without a hitch. Exploring the ECU's internal components, the chip safari. Get ready for a virtual expedition as we venture into the digital jungle of an ECU's internals. Think of it like diving into a rabbit hole, only this one leads to a land of microprocessors, custom chips, and flash memory. Each component has a role to play, like instruments in an orchestra, working in harmony to create the symphony of your car's performance. PCB quality and design, the engineering artistry. Imagine the ECU's PCB as a canvas for engineering artistry. It's not just a flat piece of technology. It's a multi-layered masterpiece designed to withstand extreme conditions. But it's not just about durability. It's also about thermal efficiency. With additional copper plates, it's like the ECU's very own climate control, ensuring that things stay cool when the engine heats up. Now, let's spotlight the ECU's connector. It's like a digital handshake between the ECU and the rest of your car systems. Think of it as the bridge between the digital and mechanical worlds. But this isn't your average plug-and-play affair. It's a custom-made marvel with high pin counts and waterproof superpowers, ensuring that your car's inner conversations remain seamless. And there you have it, folks, the inner workings of your car's digital brain demystified. From sensors to symphonies, from adversity to triumph, the ECU truly is the unsung hero that keeps your ride running smooth and sleek. But hey, we're not hitting the brakes just yet. If you're as fascinated by the tech behind the torque as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Join the Car Computer Exchange crew for more deep dives into the automotive universe, where we turn complex concepts into a joyride of knowledge. Until next time, keep those engines revving and those questions coming. Stay curious, stay in the know, and we'll catch you in the next exhilarating video. Subscribe now and let's keep exploring the highway of the high-tech.